Alrighty, so this here is a follow-up to the installation of the Uniden 980 SSB and the little KL-203 foot warmer in the Jeep. I do have an external meter hooked up so we can see what kind of power it's doing here. So right now we're on the 5-watt scale, only the radio's on. Got about a 2-watt dead key. Kick it up to the 50-watt scale here. Just the radio only.
Hello, audio. Hello, audio.
So we're swinging from that 1.5 to 2 watts just past 15. Hitting about 15, 16 watts. That's not bad out of that little 980 SSB. I did tune that radio myself, so. Now we'll go ahead and kick the little foot warmer on here. Just one setting on. We'll go ahead and move it up to the 250 watt scale. Okay, so now we're looking at that 250. Now we're going to do a dead key. It's probably about a, let's see, that's between the 50 and the 100. I'm going to call that about a 65 watt dead key. And we'll go ahead and modulate, see what it does.
Hello, audio. Hello, audio.
Well, it's getting up there to that 200.
Audio test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, hello, come in. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3.
Definitely working well.
Hello, hello, come in. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breaker, breaker.
All right, we'll go ahead and check the SWRs. It is calibrated all the way over. Here's actual SWRs. Not too bad. That's about 1.3. That is because I'm parked in the garage right now. So once I'm not in the garage, it gets closer to 1.1. But I'm pretty happy with it. This little sucker puts out.